Thanks to Tikduck for sending this to me for my review. It's one of those toys that's surprisingly fun once you get the hang of it. It floats, spins, and even boomerangs back to you with just a flick of the wrist, kind of like a mini drone mixed with a magic trick. It's got these vibrant LED lights that look super cool in low light, making it even more exciting for kids. The ball is enclosed in a protective cage, so it's pretty safe for indoor use, and it auto stops if it hits something. It's not indestructible, though. After enough crashes, you might notice wear, but for the price, it's a cool little gadget. To start, just press and hold the power button until the LED lights come on. Charging takes about 25 minutes, which gets you around 10 minutes of playtime, perfect for short bursts of fun. Once it's spinning, you can toss it gently into the air to begin flying. If you want it to hover or levitate, hold your hand underneath it. The built-in sensors will detect your palm and keep it floating above, adjusting as you move your hands up or down. For the signature boomerang effect, make sure the power button is facing up, tilt the ball slightly forward, and toss it out gently. It'll loop right back to you. You can get creative and bounce it off the walls or hands just to, do some freestyle tricks. It's best used in open spaces, indoors or outdoors with calm weather, and if it bumps into anything, it automatically stops for safety. If you want to get your hands on this product, go ahead and click on the link in the description below and hit that subscribe button and never miss a review.